So guys, in this tutorial, we will know how to create such complex roof in SketchUp. Okay, so let's start. So guys, first you have to use free plugin that is called a bezier surface plugin. Okay, so this plugin here you have to install. So just click here, click at the first point, drag the mouse, and then again click to create this bezier surface. Then double click over the surface to go inside and activate bezier surface tools like a move tool, rotate and scale. So just select the nodes just like that to move it or even rotate it like that. Okay guys, now here what we'll have to do now, you have to explode it. Just right click and explode this. Okay, and next plugin that is called artisan tools. This plugin are paid. You can download it to use a 15 or 30-day trial options available. So just select the all model and here you have to click on this insert faces options. Okay, after that just click and drag the mouse like that. Okay, so take the inset options just like that. So I'm taking the inset of 1.5 inches like that. Okay, now here you can see face is already selected, so here I will use extrude face options. So just click and drag little bit downward direction like 2 inches. Okay, or 5 inches like that. Okay, again here I am click over insert face option and click and drag the mouse like that. Okay, it will 3 inches like something. Okay, again you have to click over extrude edge option, and so here again I am going to extrude little bit in downward direction. It's like 2 inches. Okay, now here we will pressing B and for bucket tool, and here I'm selecting glass options, just applying a glass material over here. Okay, so this steps is done. Now here we have to make it in a group guys, and after making it in a group you have to again use another paid plugin that is called a subdivide tool. So here I am just selecting this and click over here to subdivide the spaces just like that. Here you can see that, and if you want more smoother edges, again you have to click on a plus icon, increase subdivision option. So now it's subdivided again. Now here you can see that how complex a structure that I have created using some plugins over here. Okay, so this is the method to create some cool models in SketchUp. Okay, so guys, if you really like my tutorial, you can subscribe my channel, share and like. Thanks for watching guys. Have fun. See you next tutorial. Thank you.